guys, it's Lyssa Motions and welcome back for another video. So in this video, I wanted to do a look that says springtime. You know what I mean? I wanted something bright, alright? Something really just like got to do with yellow, reds, and orange, okay? And like, you cannot say this is not cute. Like, you cannot say this is not cute. Like, I live for this look, okay? Yeah, so if you want to see this look and see how I got this, continue watching.
So I'm going to start off by telling you that I used this palette by BH Cosmetics and it was not picking up at all when I was using the brush. I tried 2 different brushes and it was just not working. The palette is called Club Tropicana 28 Color For You eyeshadow palette, and it was just not working. So instead of using a brush, I decided to use my fingers. It definitely picked up way better after I used my fingers. So if you're going to get this palette, I recommend to use your fingers. I know it's a downsider, but you have to do what you have to do. The palette does have pretty colors. Like, it really had pretty colors. I love almost every color that's in the palette. Is just not as pigmented when you use a brush. But I am over here using this beautiful yellow on the inner corner to the middle of my eyelid, and then I am now applying this beautiful orange color and I'm putting it in the middle of my lid. And next I'm using this red color and I'm putting it on the outside of my eye, and I'm just like blending it all together so it can make it look like this this sunset look. So now I'm going to, take that same red and I'm going to put it in my crease line just to blend the colors just a little bit better. So here I am going back in and just touching up the colors again with my fingers and just making it a little brighter. So I'm going in with another red that's a little bit darker from my BH Studio Pro Ultimate Artistry Shadow Palette and putting it on the outside of my eye. And then now I'm just like blending in my, eyeshadow a little bit more. So now for under my eyes, I'm going to take a brown color from the same palette. I didn't really want to use the same colors on top of my eyes, so I went with brown. And now I am highlighting my Cupid's bow with a shimmery white color. Now I am applying a thin line of eyeliner. I'm just going to make a small little wing. It's not going to be too thin, but it's also not going to be thick. We don't want it to take away from the eye look from the eyeshadow. So just put any mascara on that will make your eyes pop. I didn't really want to put on lashes because I didn't want to, take away from the shadow. I really wanted it to be very subtle, but also cute at the same time. And then we're going to apply our blush. Oh, and I also want to apologize for not having clips of the palettes that I'm using. But next time I'm going to make sure that I put them in the video. But if I do not and I forget again, I'm also going to have it linked in the description box. So just make sure you check out the description box. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And please subscribe, like, and comment. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!